Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to have a holiday?
Yes, I enjoy taking vacations because they allow me to unwind from the stresses of everyday life, explore new places, and spend quality time with family and friends. Holidays also provide an opportunity to unwind, reflect, and refuel.
Question number 2. When do you prefer to take holidays?
Summer vacations are my favorite because the weather is warm and sunny. I also like to take short vacations throughout the year to explore new places.
Question number 3. Do you like short holidays or long holidays?
Depending on my availability and budget, I enjoy both short and long vacations. Short vacations are ideal for quick getaways, whereas long vacations are ideal for exploring and experiencing a new culture or environment.
Question number 4. Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I enjoy the festive atmosphere, spending time with family, the decorations, and the feeling of gift giving and gift receiving.
Question number 5. What do you usually do during a holiday?
I usually enjoy going on excursions and exploring new places, relaxing and taking in the scenery, and spending time with family and friends. I also enjoy going shopping, eating out, and making the most of my time away from work and the daily routine.
Question number 6. Who do you usually spend the holiday with?
I usually spend my holidays with family, friends, or even by myself. Spending the holidays with family and friends is a wonderful way to create memories and long-lasting bonds. It's also a great way for everyone to unwind and have fun together.
Question number 7. Why are holidays important to you?
Holidays are important to me because they allow me to step away from my daily routine and focus on my health and well-being. They also allow me to travel to new places, relax and recharge, and spend quality time with my loved ones.
Question number 8. What was the best holiday you have ever had?
A trip to the Caribbean was the best vacation I've ever taken. It was a fantastic experience with beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, delicious food, and a fascinating culture. It truly was a place where I could unwind, relax, and enjoy every moment.
Question number 9. What is your favorite holiday destination?
Bali, Indonesia is my favorite holiday spot. It is a breathtakingly beautiful place with lush green rice terraces, beautiful beaches, a vibrant culture, and delectable food. The people are warm and welcoming, and the island has a lot to offer. It's the ideal place to unwind, explore, and make lasting memories.
Question number 10. Does your country have many public holidays?
Yes, there are many public holidays in my country throughout the year, including national holidays and religious festivals. These holidays are significant in our culture because they frequently feature special events and activities. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.